So what we're doing at More IQ is we're offering dynamic resource scheduling, which, as you say, is something it's been around in the sector for a long time, sort of 20 years. We're coming at it from a slightly different aspect in that we're trying to offer that efficiency not just for the simple repairs, but also we're looking at how we can help with the more complex processes that most housing associations and councils and DLOs are having to deal and cope with right now. And helping communicate that to the tenants as well, making sure that they're in complete control of what's going on with their repairs. So as a optimization tool, yes, we do route optimization, but that's what you should be expecting from us. What we really need to be looking at is not talking about more jobs per day. We want to look at the outcomes. So what we're typically seeing now with our sort of customer base is areas where they're completing more work orders per day because of the better scheduling, and then it's how we use that capacity. So for an example, we're seeing one customer who's seeing a sort of 25% increase in the number of works orders that they're completing, which has allowed them to absorb a 13% increase in the demand on the overall service without the need for additional operatives or headcount, and without the need for additional subcontractor spend. So they're seeing real value for money in terms of how they can operate their service. And also that's seen more work that goes through a DLO. There's a direct correlation in terms of complaints. So they're seeing a reduction in the number of complaints because it's been handled by their trusted in-house team. And their TSM scores are also starting to be pushed up because of that process.